Monkey opens Insta Banana. Feeling fine. Normal Monday. Life is okay. First post, another monkey on beach. Perfect body, perfect vacation, perfect banana smoothie. Caption, living my best life. Monkey's mood drops one notch. Still fine though, keeps scrolling. Second post, monkey's old friend just bought mansion. Indoor banana tree, infinity pool. Caption, blessed and grateful. Mood drops another notch. Starting to feel weird, but keeps scrolling. Third post, someone monkey's age just made CEO. Private jet. Speaking at conference. Caption, dreams do come true. Mood drops again. And now monkey feels bad. About what? Nothing specific. Everything in general. 5 minutes on Insta Banana. 20 perfect posts. 20 notches down. Monkey closes app feeling like failure. Why? Every perfect banana photo lowered his mood by one notch. Like death by 1,000 paper cuts, but with vacation pics and success stories. Welcome to Comparison Scroll, where other people's highlight reels quietly murder your self-worth. The banana tape measure of self-worth. Monkey used to measure his worth internally. Am I better than I was yesterday? Am I happy? Then social media arrived. Now Monkey carries invisible banana tape measure everywhere, measuring himself against every monkey online. Better job? Tape measure says monkey is shorter. Better body? Inadequate. Better relationship? Failing. Better banana collection? Pathetic. Scroll, measure, feel bad. Scroll, measure, feel worse. Scroll, measure, hate self. Monkey doesn't even realize he's doing it. It's automatic. Scroll equals compare. Compare equals lose. The cruel part? Tape measure is measuring Monkey's blooper reel against everyone else's highlight film. His messy Monday versus their perfect promotional photo. Brain doesn't care about fairness. Brain just knows they have thing. Monkey doesn't. Monkey is less than. The highlight reel scam. Social media shows perfect vacation, perfect body, perfect life. Doesn't show fight before vacation photo, sad desk sandwich, 2 a.m. career anxiety, food poisoning, mental breakdown, photo angle engineering to hide belly. Everyone posts best 2% of life. Nobody posts the other 98%. Monkey compares his full 100% to their edited 2%. Loses every time. It's like watching Olympic gymnastics and feeling bad you can't backflip. They're Olympians, you're regular monkey trying to open banana without thumb slip. Different leagues, stop comparing. The doom spiral. Brain loves comparing. Survival mechanism. How do I rank? Am I safe? Made sense back in Small Jungle. Monkey could see everyone's full life. Fair comparisons. Now Monkey compares himself to 500 million monkeys showing only their absolute best moments. Brain calculates. I'm behind. I'm failing. I'm not enough. Triggers envy. Envy triggers rumination. Why don't I have that? What's wrong with me? Rumination triggers anxiety. I'm wasting my life falling behind permanently. Anxiety triggers more scrolling. Maybe if I see what successful monkeys do, I'll figure it out. More scrolling equals more comparing equals more envy equals more rumination equals more anxiety equals more scrolling. Vicious cycle. Doom spiral. Comparison scroll to sadness pipeline. Happens quietly. Monkey doesn't notice mood dropping, just feels worse lately. Can't figure out why. The app knows why. Algorithm knows why. Monkey doesn't know why. The mood dip demo. Monkey ran experiment. Checked mood before opening Insta Banana. Rated himself 7 out of 10. Pretty good. Scrolled for 10 minutes, just casual browsing, nothing unusual. Checked mood after, 4 out of 10. Significantly worse in just 10 minutes. What changed? Nothing in Monkey's actual life. His job, relationships, health, all same, but mood still tanked. The scrolling did it. 20 comparison moments, 20 subtle hits to self-worth, 20 reminders that everyone else is living better life. Individually, each post seems harmless. Oh nice, they went to Bali, good for them. But cumulative effect? Devastating, like standing in rain. 1 drop doesn't make you wet. 1,000 drops do. Monkey repeated experiment next day. This time, didn't scroll. Mood stayed stable, no mysterious drop. Day after, scrolled again, mood dropped again. Pattern clear, scrolling equals sadness, not scrolling equals stable mood. Math is brutal, but obvious. The Curation Solution. Monkey can't quit social media entirely, needs it for work, staying connected, banana meme research, of course, but can curate it. Aggressively. Monkey went through following list, asked 1 question per account. Does this account make me feel better or worse? Better? Keep. Worse? Mute or unfollow immediately. No guilt, no, but they're my friend, protect your peace. Accounts that made Monkey feel worse? humble brag success posts, perfect body transformations, luxury lifestyle flexing, relationship perfection displays, productivity guilt tripping. Monkey muted 20 accounts in 5 minutes. Feed transformed instantly. Now feed shows friends' actual updates, funny memes, educational content, art, things that don't make him feel inadequate. Scrolling no longer feels like punishment, feels neutral, sometimes even pleasant. One mute button click, massive mood improvement, worth it. The 10-1 create consume rule. Monkey made another rule. For every 10 minutes spent consuming content, must spend 1 minute creating something. Scrolling for 30 minutes, must create for 3 minutes. Write something, draw something, film something, build something, doesn't matter what, just create. Why? Consuming makes Monkey feel empty. Creating makes Monkey feel full. Watching someone else's beach vacation, passive, feel inadequate. Posting about own weekend hike, active, feel accomplished. Seeing someone's art, admiration mixed with envy. Making own art, pride, progress, purpose. The 10-1 rule flips script. From passive consumer to active creator. From spectator to participant. From comparison machine to creation machine. Bonus effect, less time available for mindless scrolling. Too busy creating. Double bonus, creating content makes Monkey realize how much effort goes into those perfect posts. Gains empathy, stops comparing as much. The self-worth recalibration. Monkey realized something profound. His self-worth was never actually determined by tape measure. The tape measure was illusion, comparison addiction, brain trick. Real self-worth comes from progress toward own goals, relationships with people who actually know him, contributions to world, moments of joy, learning, growing, being. Not from ranking against strangers' vacation photos. Monkey started measuring himself against himself. Am I better than I was last year? Am I learning? Am I kinder? Am I trying? If yes, good enough. Tape measure can go in trash. Some monkey has private jet? Good for them. Doesn't change this monkey's worth. Someone has better body? Cool. Doesn't make monkey's body wrong. Friend has perfect relationship online? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, doesn't affect monkey's relationships. Monkey is running his own race. Everyone else is running theirs. Different tracks, different destinations. Can't compare. Monkey thought social media was neutral. Just app, just tool, just entertainment. Wrong. It was comparison engine. Joy thief. Self-worth assassin. Your worth isn't determined by strangers' vacation photos. Your life isn't less because someone else's looks better online. Create ruthlessly. Create actively. Compare less. Live more. Throw away the banana tape measure. You were never actually short. The monkey says thanks. Like this video, toss him a subscribe. It keeps the bananas coming.